Here at Ledbetter Beach, first day of sailing season. Took our Hobie 16 from the backyard down to the beach. We just flipped it over here. We're gonna patch the bottom, a few soft spots where the cat tracks normally kind of sit, kind of soften up the fiberglass, cause some leaks. So we're gonna patch those. Should be 2 layers thick, it says.
We start by sanding the hull. This thing has enough material for 5 layers. We're going to do probably 3. Hull, and then I'll cut the layers to length, and then we'll fire up the glass.
So you're going to want to go with 5 ounces of that in the container, maybe.
Let's do a small batch.
Put 1 ounce first.
Yeah. Because it only has a certain amount of working time. Well, once we get the glass
going, you want to do both sides.
Yeah, we want to do it all at once.
Stir full minute.
So you're gonna paint the whole keel, right?
Yeah.
Fold it a little bit.
Fold it?
Are you gonna?
Just gonna wrap it.
Wrap it. Yeah.
Well. So it depends how much catalyst you put in the resin. If you put in the correct amount, we should have about 20-30 minutes to work with it before it hardens. We hit this pretty close today. So what was our timing? About 20-30 minutes of laying down the glass and painting it. Yeah, and then now it's definitely hardening, so the catalyst is taking effect. In the sun, it's going to go faster, but probably an hour or 2, it should be completely cured. So now we just give it time to harden, cure completely before we do anything else. And then after that sets up, give it a light sanding and we're done.